Assalamu alaikum fourth class. How are you all students? I am your science teacher Miss Ridan sir. Welcome to the science class. Students, today we are going to talk about heat. In the previous lecture we have discussed about temperature and now we are going to talk about heat. Heat is a very useful form of thermal energy. In easy wording, we can say that heat is the flow of thermal energy from a warmer object to a cooler object. Thermal energy comes from heat. In the picture, you can see easily heat moves from sun towards the earth. So, heat flows from a warmer object towards a cooler object. To understand the concept of heat, let's take an example. In a winter season, when we sit around the fire, the heat moves from the fire towards our body. So we can say that heat moves from a warmer object to a cooler object. These are different examples of heat: a campfire heat or a microwave heat. So these are the examples of heat. Next, we are going to talk about uses of heat. In our daily life, heat plays an important role. Like for cooking food, we can also use heat. Drying clothes, heat keeps us warm. Solar energy is a kind of heat. For preserving food, heat is used. To measure different kinds of things, like to measure temperature, an instrument is used which is also called as thermometer. Or to measure hotness or coldness, the thermometer which is also used to measure. A thermometer is an instrument for measuring or showing temperature, how hot or cold something is. One type of thermometer is narrow, concealed glass tube containing mercury or alcohol which extends along the tube as it expands. In our daily life, we can see thermometer in the hospitals. It has a tube-like structure in which a liquid of alcohol or mercury is present, which extends along the tube as it expands. Another type is a digital thermometer which uses electronics to measure temperature. Next, we are going to talk about reading the marks on the thermometer. As we know, on thermometer different lines are present which is also called as marks. These are marking called a scale along the sides of glass tube of a thermometer. You can see easily in the picture. On thermometer, both sides have different lines which is also called as scales or markings. Each mark on the thermometer is equal to 1 degree. These read on two different scales. On thermometer, temperature can be measured by two different scales. First one is Celsius and second one is Fahrenheit. Any temperature on Celsius scale which is less than of melting ice is written with minus sign, with minus 273. The temperature which is less than melting ice or 0 degree centigrade is also called as absolute zero, which is equal to minus 273. Now this is your assignment. Define temperature and fill in the blanks. Thank you and Allah Hafiz students.